What's up, guys? It's Ray back here again with another. Hold on, start over. What's up, guys? It's your boy Ray back here again with another video. Today I'm back here with. Yes, sir.
Madison. Juice got Kelly.
Okay, so today's video we eat some gummy bears, but in these gummy bears right here, there's 2 mystery gummy bears. Perfect. I'm gonna have my nice friend Nyla right here take 6 gummy bears out of the pack and put them onto a single plate, and then I'm gonna add these 2 nice gummy bears, and we're just gonna mix it up, feel me? And we're gonna take it from there. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, feel me? On the road to 1K, subscribe to my boy Kelly.
Yo, what's in this gummy bears, bro?
Don't ask no questions. Subscribe. You got a channel.
Follow Nyla on Instagram.
Follow Nyla on Instagram. You're gonna see it in the description down below. Or you're gonna see a little picture right here. Feel me? And let's get into the video.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna need you to take 6 out.
Alright.
Actually, take 6 red ones.
Yeah, I was about to say.
6 red ones. Yeah.
Damn, so, alright.
Put back the
There's no point of.
Nah, don't put it back. Just put the multiple
There's no point of
colors.
getting all the colors.
Yeah, don't get no other colors. Just take all
All the red.
ones. Yeah. And then we all gonna have to get 2 each.
Alright.
I pray I did not get this bitch.
2 mystery ones. You can be. I don't know. It could be chewy.
Oh, I know how to mix
It
them
could
up.
be hot.
I know how to mix them up.
It could be sticky.
Okay, that's 6.
Alright, smack it. So just put it up on it.
Now you gotta mix it up.
Yeah, mix
Wait, it was stuck together.
What? Wait, check it. Yeah, separate them. Alright, make sure they don't fall. So whatever gummy bears you have to stay with them and you have to eat them. You heard it? You gotta eat them.
So what's gonna happen if you choose the other one?
If you choose the mystery one, you have to eat it.
What's gonna happen after? Like,
After the mystery, you're gonna figure out what the mystery. Whoever has the mystery.
What's in the mystery shit?
I can't tell you it's a mystery.
Bro, we scan niggas, bro. Put it in the mystery.
alright, so we're gonna close out.
Listen, when you watch this video, you're gonna read the title.
So you gonna have to close our eyes and choose.
Yeah, you gotta close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Grab a plate.
But it's gonna be okay. This is my plate.
Alright, so everybody have a plate. So who wanna choose first?
Let me mix it up.
Yeah. He's scary. It's scary. What you think about?
What's in that shit?
Wait, how many in there? How many in there? It's 8, right?
It's 9 now.
9?
No, 9.
It should be 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8.
There's more red ones in there. But I wanna put more.
Matter of fact, to make it better, right? You close your eyes and you do this. I gotta open it and then you take it.
Somebody has to hold the top of it while you grab it from. Alright, so.
You wanna do that?
Yeah, Diane helps you.
Another thing for me, man.
Alright. So Diane, we all gonna close our eyes, okay?
We
go first.
gonna start with Kelly. He gonna grab his 2 and then she gonna grab her 2 and then we grab mine.
My nigga, what's in the 2 mystery gummy bears?
Boy.
Alright, got
You
it.
got 2? Nah.
Now you gotta grab your 2, right? Wait, get a plate from him.
Then he gonna hold it. Nah, he gonna use the plate.
You gonna hold it?
Yeah. Grab your 2.
Grab this 2.
Last one.
I'm fucking with it.
Alright, you gotta grab your last.
Just keep it on the plate. Alright, bet.
Alright, you're not fucking extra.
Alright, so boom. Everybody has their 2 gummy bears, you feel me? Alright, so y'all wanna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot, who eat them first? Or y'all just wanna dive in at the same time?
Like we all go at once.
Alright, so everybody grab one gummy bear and eat the first one. Grab it.
Yo, you gotta grab it, bro.
What is the UT? That's it.
3, 2,
This shit's hot. This shit's hot. You put some spicy shit in your eyes, this nigga. This shit hot. I hate this nigga.
Bobby.
Wait, who got the other one?
Me and
No,
this
you better
one.
let me see.
Bro,
No.
no.
Alright, bet. Next one. Grab the other one.
Yo, grab it.
He did it on purpose. He can't take it.
That shit drop.
Alright. Grab the second one.
Nah, I'm not fucking with it.
What happened?
That shit hot.
It is?
Is that hot?
It's hot, bro.
I hate you, bro. Nah, fuck out of here.
Wow.
Oh, that shit is mad hot.
Yeah. That shit. Right, bro.
It's hot, bro.
That should have hit you.
That shit is mad hot.
Nah, this shit, it's hotter than pepper.
It is?
It's not even that it's hot, but why is it so hot?
Nah, that shit just hit you like on the first bite.
That shit is mad.
What's up, bro?
It's like,
Is all of these hot?
Nah, that's the one you brought.
Everyone was mad hot.
Damn.
Yeah, bro.
Y'all fuck with it?
No, I don't fuck with that thing. This nigga ate the whole thing.
Nah, he spit it out. Now, zoom into his gummy bear, though. Zoom into his gummy bear.
Nigga, a whole chair.
Yo, he spit the gummy bear on the chair.
Too many dude, nigga. I don't know, man.
Nah, it's right there. It's not. It's just a gummy bear. So, let's get back to the video. So,
Throw it out.
huh?
That shit hurt.
So, how was the mystery gummy bear?
That shit hurt my tummy.
How was it?
that shit hit you the first time.
Bro, don't even ask me what the fuck.
So, listen.
Smack this.
Wait. So, we gonna compare from, we ate the, what was the pepper called?
Nah, the pepper is
Ghost
hot.
pepper.
If I was supposed to compare the ghost pepper to this gummy, this is the little nitro hot pepper gummy bear, whatever you call it. If we were supposed to compare the two, which one would you say is the hottest?
I would say this one, only because it looks like a gummy bear. So you thinking that's gonna taste sweet, but then I just don't. So that's how it gets you.
Nah, the other one was hot, bro.
What?
Your shit hit you on the first like bite.
No, this
Yeah.
is just weird because like, you know you chew the first one, that shit tastes bad. Good, that shit just pop in your mouth.
This shit, you feel me? This shit was some soft baby shit. You eat that, and that shit just snuck up on you, right?
What do you be thinking when you come up with this video like this? Like,
No, I just want to try something new. Nobody ever did this on YouTube though. It's some. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, I didn't see nobody do this. Like put them with like regular gummy bears.
but what's the side effects though? You know, like.
I thought I was gonna get lit.
Nah, I was just gassing it. I was trying to make y'all not think about pepper because y'all always think every time I'm doing a video it's about pepper, but
Yeah.
Bro, it's true.
I'm gonna
It's fucking
I'm gonna switch it up. This might be the last ghost pepper. Well, not ghost pepper. This might be the last pepper
Challenge. Last challenge.
The last challenge video?
Last ever, nigga.
Nah.
Sorry, girl.
For me, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to Diane channel, D Styles. Yes, sir. She wasn't in this video. She wasn't. You feel me? She
the camera woman.
the camera woman.
Probably,
Exactly.
yeah, but the catch me with the spicy shit.
Follow her.
Not a Simone on
Juice God
Instagram.
Juice God Kelly. It's Ray.Trendy. You feel me? And we out of here.
Okay, bye.